More reviews equals more sales, and Walmart just made it easier than ever with the Review Accelerator tool. So all you have to do is just log into Walmart Seller Center. It's going to look something like this. You're going to go all the way to the right, and then under the Growth tab, you've got Review Accelerator. Now here's the Review Accelerator tab. You can see we already have one product enrolled. The cost per review is $10. You do not pay for any reviews until the reviews are actually published and showing. And this is our goal, is 10 reviews. Right now it collected 0 reviews, and we just enrolled it yesterday. So it's only been 1 day. Probably won't see any results for another 14 days, just out of honesty. But if we want to enroll a product, there is an Enroll Items tab that we can press. Once we press that, Walmart is going to show the post-purchase reviews. You're going to click Enroll Items. Once you click there, it's going to look like this, and it's going to show all of your items here that are eligible. Now, the only items that are eligible are the ones that have been generating sales. So if you want to enroll an eligible item, you can see, learn more about our eligibility policy. Pretty much just run ads on the product for like 30 days, then it should be eligible, right? And you can change the incentive amount. So you can do a $10 incentive, $5 incentive, right? And how many reviews you want to get. And that's really nice that you can kind of put all of that in here. And then you're pretty much good to go. Once you do that, you can just click on your item and then just simply click Add Items in the bottom right-hand corner. Then again, you're just going to fully enroll it. So it's going to have the total projected cost. Pre-purchase charges should be 0 because they're not charging you until a review is actually published. And then post-purchase charges, right? So you just add that all in, submit for enrollment. And then again, right at the beginning of the video, I showed you what it looked like, right? Now, if you're like, I don't want to pay for this, there is the Pro Seller. So you can go all the way to the right, and there's the Pro Seller tab. If you do become a Pro Seller, what they're going to do is give you Review Accelerator credit. So you can see right here, they're giving us $50 remaining. Can't complain, free credit, right? And that makes it a lot easier to press that button and pay for some reviews, right? And then all you have to do, there's a couple metrics to get this, so you can look into it. I've got videos and stuff on that, right? But this is what the reviews are going to look like. Obviously, it's going to say incentivized review next to it, but it is going to be a verified purchase, which is nice. It pretty much doesn't impact your rankings at all. It's just going to help your rankings at the end of the day. Now, there is something that I did want to note, is that the post-purchase reviews program is a Review Seller Accelerator Solutions. So it's called the Review Accelerator Program. Walmart is changing the name of the program, or just adding more programs to post-purchase reviews. So if you go through this step, as of October 10th, 2025, it's called the Review Accelerator, but Walmart's changing the name. I don't know why. It's a little bit confusing, but I just wanted to let you know that. So that way, if you're reviewing it, you're like, I don't see this at all. But that's just part of the game on Walmart. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like. If you like this channel, you're learning more, we're making a lot more videos, just hit subscribe. And of course, if you need help with anything Walmart, we do specialize in Walmart, Amazon, TikTok, eBay, the e-commerce platforms. Just contact us, the link's right below. And we do have a popular service where we'll manage your entire Walmart account, make sure we're doing customer service, design, increasing your sales, all that good stuff. Just contact EHP Consulting Group, and I'm Josh Hackett, signing out. No,